Hi guys, it's Mackenzie from Girl Loves Glam here, and I am going to share a super easy tutorial for a fun fishtail braid that meets in the back with a little messy bun. So first we're going to start by doing a fishtail braid. And if you haven't ever done a fishtail braid before, I promise that they are not as difficult as you might assume. You're gonna start by grabbing just a section of your hair from the front. Okay, so you'll take it and you're just going to split it into two pieces, like that. And you're just going to take from the far edge of one of the pieces and take it over to your other section, like that. And then the other section and bring it over to this one, just like this. So this section over and this section over. Pretty simple. Okay, so once you get close to the end, you're just going to get a little elastic to tie it into place. And then you can either leave it as is, or you can pancake it to make it a little fatter, which I always like. So, just like that. Okay, so now you're just gonna do the same thing on the other side of your hair. So just take your two strands, split it in half, and go down once again. So now you're just gonna finish it off with an elastic. And then you're going to take the two and meet them in the middle. And you're going to grab like a little bit more of your hair so that you can create a little ponytail situation. You put an elastic in. And before you loop it all the way through on the last time, you'll just do it halfway. And then you just start doing a little messy bun. Plug it back in and loop it. And finish it off with just a few bobby pins. So now you have the super quick, easy little fishtail braid that meets in the back with a messy bun. It's really fun, it keeps your hair out of your face, and it's perfect for days that you haven't washed your hair maybe in a few days, and it still looks super cute. So make sure you can check out my blog for step-by-step pictures and tutorial there at girllovesglam.com, and you can check back on my channel for lots more fun videos like this. See you guys!